Good day. Welcome to JsGrassFedGarden. It's March 4th, 2023, and we're getting a pretty good snowstorm. I wanted to document in real time what the tunnels look like when a whole bunch of snow and wind has blown in. You can go back to the video from the last video that I posted and see the snow was pretty much nearly gone. And now, after last night, this is what they look like. And they've survived the entire winter going through these fluctuations. They pretty much get covered, and because I put the string down the middle, they don't collapse. That second one that I readjusted looks pretty good. Not the back end of it, but this side looks good. Have to readjust that, and then I'm gonna come in here right now and move all the snow, and I'll make an update video with what that looks like. So stay tuned for part 2, and thanks for your support. Wholeness.